Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to change language on Amazon Prime Video mobile app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, on your device, launch the Amazon Prime Video app. After you open that, make sure they are logged into your account. Now from this home page, tap on your profile icon that you will see at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you land on your profile, now again look for a settings or gear icon that is usually located in the top of your screen on your right side. Now once you land on this settings page, scroll down and navigate to the language settings and tap on there. Here you may find options to change the display language. As you can see, so select the language that you want to change. Once you tap on that language, a dialog box will pop up that will ask for your confirmation. Then again tap on yes. Now as you can see, the language has been changed, and that's how you can change language in Amazon Prime Video app. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down and I will see you on next tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.